Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question number 5 in the topic of sequence series and 2018 exam paper, second variant. So let's see how we can do this question. First three terms of AP are these numbers. Okay. Before I start, I tell you one thing, AP, and one thing for about GP. So very good idea to understand. For example, 2 plus 5, I got 7. Again, plus 5, I got 12. So these three numbers in arithmetic progression AP. You can check it now. This is called term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. And if I subtract term number 3 from term number 2 and term number 2 from term number 1, so same difference it would be. Let's see. For example, third term is 12 and 7. So subtract 12 minus 7, it becomes 5. And second, T2 minus T1, so 7 minus 2, it becomes 5, so they match. So you got a logic now. What's logic? You let me explain again. So whenever we have an arithmetic progression, so we have a fixed criteria. And what is fixed criteria we have? That third term minus second term, same answer, second term minus first term. So idea is very, very clear. So for AP, we have this criteria. Let's talk about GP. For example, 2 multiplied by 3, I got 6. Multiply by 3, I got 18. So first term, second term, third term. And you can see that because this is a GP, so third term divided by second term, because GP dividing always. So third term divided by second term and second term divided by first term. Same answer will come. For example, third term is 18. Third term is 18. Okay. And second term is 6. And second term is 6 and first term is 3. Sorry, 2, sorry. Here I get a 3 and here I get a 3. They are perfectly same. It means you learn a one formula, and one formula we produce same time. And what formula we produce in GP? Third term divided by second term, whatever the answer. Same term, second term by first term dividing the answer. So you see that in AP, this is GP. In AP, by subtracting, in GP, by dividing. So plan is very clear. Let's start. First three terms of AP are 4xy. Let me write x, 4xy in AP. He's saying they are in AP. According to plan, okay, first three terms of GP are here. So I'm writing here xy 18 in GP. So one in AP and one in GP. Okay, fine. And he said that both x, y are positive numbers. So I'm writing here x and y both are positive numbers. So find x and y. So let's start. First of all, we know that this is a situation in AP according to criteria. Third term divided by second term. Sorry, this is AP. So not dividing, by subtracting. Sorry. So third term subtracting second term is same answer as second term minus first term. So according to condition, y minus x equal to x minus 4. I think I can bring x on the other end. It will be added and y equals to x plus x become 2x. I got equation number 1. Now I'm using this link here. According to condition x comma y comma 18 in GP. He said in GP. So according to this is GP. So what I will do, GP. So you know third term divided by second term equal to the second term divided by first term. So let's start. 18 by y. So 18 up, y down, and y are by x, y over x. Cross multiply, I am getting 18x is equals to y squared, equation number 2. Now I will solve them simultaneously. This is a y value, I'll replace here. So put y value in equation 2 in 2. So 18x copy equal to y squared. In the place of y squared, I'm copying this one. Now 18x is equals to first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, so 18x is equals to 4x to power 2, 4 for the 16x and plus 16. Just rearrange 4x squared minus 16x minus 18x plus 16 equal to 0 here. So I'm going to make equation finally minus 34x and plus 16 equals to 0. Divide by 2, okay? And I can apply formula, quadratic formula I can apply, no problem. So when I apply the formula, minus b plus and minus b squared minus 4a into c and divide by 2a. So let's see, answer comes what? So I just find directly. Okay, you can check it for what is answer. A is 4, B is 34 and 16. So answer I'm getting here 8 and half. 8 and half. Okay, I got two answers, 8 and half. But look at here, we got three terms here, okay? So we got two values, 8 and half. So let's go for the y values. This 8 value I replace here and get y value. So 8 to the 16, 16 minus 4, you get 12. And when I put this half here, so half I got a y is equals to minus 3, which is not possible. So this is not possible. So this is not possible. It means my x and y values are coming 8 and 12, which our final answer. So part number 1 is completely finished. Second part is asking find the fourth term of each progression. So I think this is not a hard job at all. We can find out the fourth term of easily. So what is the fourth term of AP formula? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So according to condition, first term is 4. So I'm looking for fourth term. So 4. So A is 4. I'm looking for 4, so I put 4 also here. 4 minus 1 and common difference. Now, how to find common difference? Because x is 8. So, 8 minus 4 give you 4. So this also 4 comes. So we got the fourth term value, 4 plus, you can see here, 4 plus 12. And we got a 16. So in arithmetic progression, my fourth term is 16. Whereas in GP, my fourth term formula Tn is equal to AR to power n minus 1. So replace n by 4. Okay, done. First term is x in GP, and x value is 8. So I'm keeping 8. But problem is that I don't know common ratio. But common ratio formula is second term by first term. So look at here. So y by x. So y up and 8 down. So I can say that 12 over 4 give you common ratio. So 12 by 8, not 4. Okay. And power is 4 minus 1. We got a 3, or my right 4 minus 1. So just matter of typing in calculator. 8 times 2, 12 divided by 8, and the power is 3. It comes 27. So GP, the fourth term is 27, and that's it. Question completely over. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, June 17, first variant, question number 7. Topic is a sequence series. Okay, let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. A part. He said first two terms of arithmetic progression 1624. First two terms. So it means T1 is 16. You say T1 or you say A. No problem at all. Both are same. And T2 is 24. T2 is 24. I can find common difference easily from here. How? T2 minus T1. So 24 minus 16, we got an 8. Okay. Read. For the least value of number of progression which must be taken for sum of exceeding 2000. What does this mean? Sum Sn exceeding 20,000. So more than 20,000. This is called sum exceeding. So first of all, let me try the first part, then inshallah B part. Okay. According to rule, what is the formula? We have Sn. Sn is equals to, okay, as equal to n by 2, a plus n minus 1 into D. This whole thing I'm going to replace left-hand side. So I'm erasing it this formula and I'm putting the left-hand side. Let's start. n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times 2d bigger than 20,000. Okay. So n I don't know, but a is first term we know 16. So 2 times 2, 16. Again, and I don't know. Common difference is 8. And bigger than 20,000. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, this two, I think n by 2. Here I got 32. And 8 times 2n minus 8. And this 2, you can multiply on the right hand side. So it becomes 40,000. So I'm writing here 40,000. And I'm erasing this n2. Okay. Now I will continue. N 32 minus 8. So 32. So minus 8, it gives 24 plus 8n. This 40,000 I bring on the left hand side and bigger than 0. So let's complete. So I got 24n plus 8n to power 2 minus 40,000 bigger than 0. Reorder 8n square plus 24n minus 40,000 and bigger than 0. I can apply quadratic formula, okay, and get the answers. So I have two answers I'm getting. Let me check first. Minus b plus and minus b square 4 times 2a into c, okay, by 2a. And when I get the answer, so I check the answer. What is answer comes? 8, 24 and minus 40,000. And I am getting answer number 1 is coming 69.22. Second angle, I'm getting negative 72.22. Actually, this is a chapter of quadratics. Maybe you know or not, this is not possible. This is not possible. Let me show you. If you see that n square positive is point of minima, maybe you know or not, I repeat, n square positive, n square negative, this kind of graph. But negative is not there, I will take positive only. Okay. So this line comes like this, and this answer positive, so positive here. Why, sir? Because bigger number always right side and small number always left side on number line system. All of you know it. So 69.22 here and negative 72.2 here. So it means I am close to my answer. Hold on. He said this whole thing is bigger. Bigger means above the line. Above the line means you move along the curve like this way. So x go this way. So it means n is bigger than 69.22. But if you do a number line system, 69.22, and before we have 69, after we have a 70. Look, I show again. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Here 69, here 70. From here, I'm going right side. So big number come, the first one number is coming here, 70. So we got a whole number because and term number cannot be in decimal. You know very well. If you're not understanding, I show this number line once again. Come back. In number line system, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. But now 69.22 means from here, I'm going right side. So there are many numbers are there, but what is the least number among these all least numbers? 73 onward we have, but least number 73, 72, 71, 70 is 70. I can't go beyond it. So my answer is 70. And you can ask me, so why you are going above? Let me tell you, if we have a less sign, I will go along the below the curve. But if I have a more, I will go above. I hope so you got the idea. So I'll go right side. So this idea, first part is completely over. Let's go for part number 2. So part number B, what we have a part number B. Part number B is 61. This question B part is a geometric progression, first term 6. So A is 6. Sum infinity is 18. So sum infinity is 18. And a new geometric progression is formed by squaring each term. Repeat my words. Very interesting thing. He said a new geometric progression is formed by squaring each term of the original C progression. It means this is a one progression, and I need a second progression by each term squaring. So find the sum of infinity of the new progression. So let's start. First of all, let's start. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What is the formula of S infinity? All of you familiar, A over 1 minus R. This 18 comes here and 6 comes here. I need actually R first. So solution start from here. So 18 is equals to 6 upon 1 minus R. Cross multiply. So 1 minus R comes here and 6 by 18 comes here. So 6 threes are 1 by 3. Sorry, I did mistake here. This is not A, this is R. So 1 minus R. So R goes on the right hand side. So R is equals to 1 minus 1 over 3. It becomes 2 by 3. So it means it is very clear. I got 2 by 3. Okay, R is equals to 2 by 3. Now let's proceed and make it. First term is this. So 6. How to get second term? Multiply by R. Let me repeat. First term is A, second term is AR, multiply by R. Third term is again multiply R, AR square. Third term is again multiply R, AR cube. So I think idea is clear. So 6 times 2R, if I multiply into 2 by 3, so 3, 2, so answer become 4. Because 6 times 2 by 3, it becomes 4. Again, 4 multiplied by 2 by 3. So into 2 by 3, I got 8 by 3. Okay, and proceed onward. I will not waste your time. This is no need to do further. Okay, all right. So this is very, very clear. It means,
Sir,
yes, please.
can you explain why did you like square then cube and power raised to the power
Good,
4?
good,
Why
good.
did you do
Listen, listen. Abrar, I did not make square up till now, my son. I made the first progression. Look, look, look. I read again question. Look, a geometric progression. First term is 6, my son. So 6 is here.
Yeah.
Okay. And sum of infinity is 18. So I wrote here. And using these two data, I got R here. And I produced my sequence from here because you know first term is 6. How to get second term? 6 times 2 R. I got a 4. Again into multiply, I got 8 by 3. So no, this is I produce only one term. Now
Oh,
after squaring,
yeah.
according to question, after squaring, keep your mic mute, please. Okay, after squaring, let's start. So when I square, I got 36, 6 squares, 36, 4 squares, 16, and this 64 by 9, I got squares. Now he's asking, give me, find out the sum of infinity for this. So A is 36, and common ratio is second term by the first term, and 16 divided by 36, it turns to be 4 by 9. 4 by 9. And sum infinity of new progression is A over 1 minus R. A is 36 and 1 minus 4 over 9. So let's find what answer come 36 divided by 1 minus 4 divided by 9. And answers come here is coming here 64.8. 64.8 sum of infinity of new progression, and that's it.